are going to do is, okay, we are going to design add to cart, okay, the cart page, and then after clicking on cart page, proceed to payment, there will be a checkout page, and yeah, so then after checkout we'll be giving a one pop-up like your payment has been confirmation. So that process, so that UI design will be working on today. And apart from that, I think in today's class we are going to see this the main priority of work, and then if it is in case we have a time, we will be going for a product detail, okay, each particular product detail page, so how we can able to view that, okay. So these are the things we are going to look into today's class. So yeah, let's get into the started the thing. The first thing, okay, so I'll be go with the product details, so how we are going to work on those things, okay. Yeah, after this class, those who are completed your assessment tree, you are ready to show that, okay, just stay after the completion of that, let me look into your assessment, okay, those who are willing to show the assessment, okay. So yeah, we'll move on to the next one, okay, let me share my screen. Okay, is my screen visible to you all, right?
Yes, bro.
Yeah, all right. So now what I am going to do is I already started my server, okay. So this is my e-commerce website. So now I want I now what I'm going to design with the help of Bootstrap, okay. I'm going to use a product detail. So in this product detail, we can easily able to see a particular product detail, okay. Before that, I'm going to do is I'm going to fetch a JSON, okay, as of now temporary. So for that thing, okay, I'll be using a fetch also. Before that, just give me a second. So where is my card? So here it is my card component, right? So where I have to fetch my details. So I have to fetch here. Yeah. So how I'm going to fetch this is, okay. So I'm going to declare a variable right now. That will be in terms of like keep as it as of now. Set data. Okay. Use state. So that will be in terms of an array. And I have to install my one of my package called Axios to send a HTTP request. So for that, I'm going to access my directory. Okay. Oh, npm install Axios. So okay, I'm just installing Axios. Just now for your reference, I'm just passing my Axios here. So anyhow, we are going to use Redux. With the help of Redux only, we are going to develop our entire application. So yeah, just give me a second. So now what we have to do is I'm going to import my Axios as of now. Okay, I had done my Axios. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my function. So fetch data as a function name. So that will be called as, okay. So yeah, so now what I'm going to do is, okay, I am going to use my asynchronous method. So at a wait time, okay, so I have written asynchronous. So here what I'm going to do is constant res is equals to await axios dot get. So I'm going to retrieve my fake API, okay, as of now, okay, fake API. Okay, right. I'm going to my application, so I'm pasting here, okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use den, okay, and I'm going to use my catch function for error handling. Okay, so now I'm going to use my error. Okay, so I'm going to use as of a console dot error, that will be error, okay, error. So what the parameter which is given inside my catch, and here I'm going to call as a response. Okay. Constant fetch data, goodness access. Okay. So now I have given my res here. Okay. Inside my res, I'm going to call my set data. So I'm going to access my res. Okay, as of now res. Okay. Before that we have to check in console it is working or not. Okay. So now I am used it, and yeah, I am going to use my use effect to calling my function. So use effect, right? I'm going with my use effect using my dependency array. So here I'm going to call my fetch data. Okay, right. I'm passing my function here. So now let me check in console. So what is data's coming passing? Okay. So now we have to inspect. Go to my console. Yeah, I'm having my data. So this comes under data. Okay. So right now I'm getting my console. So I'm going to retrieve this value. So data response or data. Okay, I'm just giving my response or data, and then if I goes there, yeah, I am can able to retrieve my array. Okay, and then yeah, again response or data, right? Yeah, now I'm having my values here. Okay, so now I'm going to map this my value. Okay, with the name as of now, and then we'll move on to the price and discount also. Yeah, let me check this whether I'm having any discount price or not. Okay, as of now, we'll just add is a price, and then we'll look on the other thing. Image is also there, description also there, and rating is also available. The counts, oh yeah, that will be fine. Okay, so now what, how I'm going to map here is, okay, so it is a each row here. Okay, so I have to use it the map here directly. So I will pass entire value as a props. Okay, I'm passing my props value. So there I am going to automatically call my value. So okay, these are the things. Right now I'm going to do it. Just give me a second. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to map my entire function here. So that will become data dot map. Use it is okay, and cut this, paste it inside, go with the product comma index. Okay, okay, I don't need index as of now. I am going to pass my prop. Okay, so prop will be like product is equals to product. Okay, so now I'm going to map my values here. So yeah, I'm given the card component. So going to my card, and I want to pass my props value. So that will be in terms of props. Okay, yeah, so yeah, the props value will be the product. Okay, so I'm going to give product. So now we'll keep this as static. Okay, we'll come to a discount also. So now men clothing. So what I have to do is I have to add this product dot title. I'm going to fetch my value here, product dot title. Okay, right now product dot title, and now I want a review. So review will be like inside product dot rating dot the first thing will be here is see, can you able to see? I'm getting my values here. Do you guys understand so far? Just raise your hand, guys, if you have understand. Okay, so now I need a rating, and then I will be go for a count here. So what I'm going to do here is rating dot count. Just a second. That will be the rate. Okay, and then so for the reviews will be like count. Okay, so product dot uh rating dot count. Okay, so yeah, so that will be the overall review, and if I want my price here, okay, so I'm going to write the price. As of now, the only one price will move with the discount also. Just give me a second. Product dot take API. Product dot price. Okay. So here also. Okay. Okay. Can you now you can able to look that. So reviews and yeah, I'm good with this. And now I want my image to be filled there. So where is my image? Here it is, right? So just remove this. Go with this product dot image. Okay. So I have to check whether only one image is there. So okay. One image, two image. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'll keep this as, and I'm going to change my width. Okay. So that will be in terms of like, okay. And I'm going to as a width. So because the it's getting more stretchier, so that will be like 100%. Okay. Okay. Can you able to see now? Yeah, right. So we have done this. Okay. Yeah. After this, okay. Give me a second. Is there everything is working fine? The card structure is correctly mapping, right? Okay. Object fit. Okay. So I'm just object fit as contain. Okay. Let me check contain. So what is done? Yeah. So now this is better. Okay. So contain. So we can able to see the image. Is that clear? Right. So now I have just created a yeah, I have just mapped this entire value here. Okay. So product. Now if I click this, I have to pass my entire details so that I can able to show it. Okay. So just give me a second. I think the fake API what we have get through that, I think it don't have any multiple images. So let me check any alternate fake API. I think yeah, I think here it is. It seems so we can able to yeah. I think I can able to use this. So yeah, just give me a second. First, I have to check this whether what I am getting in my response, then I can able to map it. Go to my main content. Yeah, as of now, I'm going to just remove this. Okay. Okay. Okay, right. Before moving, I think response or data, it seems here. Okay. Okay. Main content data dot map is not a function. That is a product here. right? So in this we can able to see like brand category and discount percentage also. So we can give this, and yeah, we are having an array map and price rating, this kind of thing. Ratings review. Okay, right. We can use this. I think that this will be really helpful for us. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, okay, so response dot, let me go with product. Okay, check to it what is happening. Okay, so that is product. Okay, okay, again I'm getting an error. Reading dot map. Okay, so response. Okay, first I will go with the response here. Let me check what I'm getting. Okay, response dot data, data dot products. Okay, yeah, okay. So yeah, we'll go with the mapping. Yeah, so instead of this, I'm going to use as my product dot discount percentage. Okay, instead of, I'm going here, let me use this. Okay, yeah, you can see a discount. So the images are in array. So what I'm going to do is, let me check images. So first will be like 0. I'm going to call my first value. Yeah, so now it is good, clear. We are having an offer also. And yeah, so I have to add review. So here what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to remove this only. I'm going to keep this as rating. And then I'm going to fetch this at product dot reviews dot length. I think so. Not sure. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Right, good. So now this is done here, and product dot price. Yeah. So I have to add my discount price here. So just give me a second. Price is 9 and minimum point. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. To calculate the discount price, I am going to write a function here. Original price is equals to, so mat dot round, or going with my product dot price divided by 1 minus product dot discount percentage divided by 100. Okay, so this is my discounted price. Copy, paste it here. Okay, directly paste this. Okay, right. Okay. Mhm. And now constant price equals to original price will be original price will be multiplied with 1 minus product dot discount percentage dot to fixed. Okay, fixed, then that will be like divided by 100. Okay, check what is happening now. Discount price, go with my discount price, okay. Okay, yeah, I got the discount. Right. So what I have to do here is I'm going to use a dot to fixed. I'm fixing my decimal point. Yeah, so now it is good. So based on the percentage value, we are calculating a percentage, right? Yeah, so now it's working fine. So okay, so we have done this and we have gone through whatever it is, okay. And now if I click on this, okay, I need a product detail. So what I'm going to do is the first thing, go to my app.js, okay. So here I need a call route, okay, and route path will be like product detail, okay, add dot id. So we are going to pass the id and then that will be the element, so the component name here, okay, and go with the yeah, product detail, okay, product detail, and then close it this route, okay, as of now. So now I am going to create the product detail page. So where I'm going to do it is, so I'm going to create one other folder. So they're called as product. Okay, we'll keep as a product, and here we'll be having like a product detail.jsx. Okay, so just give me a second. Let me rename it. Okay, so now RAFEC. Okay, I'm getting this product detail. Just change it to an camel case. Okay, upper text letters. So yeah, so I have done this, save it and go to my app.js and I have to import this. Okay, yeah, so I am just importing. So now in my card page, okay, so I just pass this, so I need to pass my value id, so id will be correct. With the help of that id I can able to fetch my data. So how I'm going to do that is, here I'm having my button, right? So for this thing I'm going to use, okay, I'm going to route, for route one I need a navigate. Okay, so navigate is a function from React router DOM. So we are going to write that code. So constant navigate, okay, is equals to you have to use navigate, okay, and yeah. So then what you have to do is create a event handler function like handle view, okay, handle view. So in a handle view I'm going to pass my id. So with the help of id only I can able to redirect to my route. Okay, so just what we have to give navigate. Okay, here we have to write a product, okay, detail. So that will be in terms of id seconds. Give me a minute. Yeah, so what we have written in a route, okay, so that thing should come here. Okay, yeah, okay, so product detail slash id, I'm going to pass my id here. So now in my handle view, going to my handle view, in my on click, okay, in my button here, on click, okay, goes with this thing, right, and I'm going to paste it. So product dot id, okay, so that's what I'm going to access. So now it is okay. If I click this, it will redirect to my product page. But in my product page, we don't have anything. Okay, for that we have to retrieve the value also. I'll come to that. See here, I can, if I click this, I'm getting my ID, I'm getting my product. Okay, so now how I can able to fetch a particular value. Okay, so go to my product detail. Okay, I'm just fetching right now. So here what you have to use, constant ID. Okay, use equal to use param, because I'm accessing from my, where I'm going to access with the help of this one. Okay, this ID will automatically will be called, so that easily I can able to pass it. So now it's the same thing, constant fetch one data is equals to, okay, go with, like, write the value here, like constant res is equals to await. Okay, await, then go with axios dot get a particular value. Okay, so what I have taught you in HTTP RESTful API service. Okay, so that we are going to implement. Okay, so first thing also we are implementing, now also we are implementing. So now what I'm going to do is just pass the entire URL, where it is, where it, yeah, here it is. So just pass this URL and you have to pass the ID value, that's it. So automatically the value will be retrieved. Yeah, so use the backtick. Okay, and here what you have to do is add this. Okay, and yeah, now here you have to pass the ID, so this ID you have to pass. Now I am writing the asynchronous function here. As of now I am going to use my dot den. Okay, yeah, the same thing will be used here. I am going to use my catch method. Okay, all right. So now I'm going to write a parameter error. So here I'm going to use that console dot log of error. Okay, error. Yeah, right. And now set product. We'll call as set product as set state. We are going to store a set variable now, product. Okay. So now what we are going to do is, here's a rest dot, same thing. First, before that moving, okay, before this setting, let me check in console. Okay, so whether we are getting a retry value or not. Okay, so just give it as a rest, and then just give me a second here. I think, yeah, so that will be rest here. Okay, right. So okay, so now this fetch should be called here in my use state. Okay, so go writing my use effect, go with this, open this, close this, and write if, writing my ID. So if my ID is present, so this service will be hitted. If my ID is not available, the service will not be hitted. So this is the condition where I'm going to write this. Yeah, so now, okay, so let me check whether it is working or not. Axios is not defined. Yeah, we have to define axios. Okay, then, okay, so now, okay, just refresh it. Yeah, I can get my values here. See, I can able to retrieve a particular value. Okay, yeah, so now it is in data. So directly what I'm going to do here, rest. Okay, so now I'm going to declare my variable. So set product. Okay, goes with this, and here I'm going to use a rest dot data. Okay, so now I have to declare my state variable. So constant product comma set product. Okay, now I'm going to use my use state here. That's it. Okay, so that happened. Okay, so now I want to map my product data. Okay, so for this what we are going to do is, we are going to look into a bootstrap component. Okay, go with bootstrap component, bootstrap uh component. Okay, so here I'm going with my component here, and just give me a minute, let me check. Okay, go with product detail, not supported. Yeah, I think this is not here. I think example bootstrap 5 product detail. Okay, okay, product detail e-commerce. Yeah, we are having here it, I think. Yeah, I think so. Okay, yeah, so here it is, right? So we can able to use this also. So whatever it is, I mean whatever the content you want to use, so you can go with it. Okay, I think this will be a perfect, it seems. Just give me a second. Quantity add to list. Yeah, then we'll move on to this thing. Okay, so now I need this code. Go with this here. Use my all the HTML. Okay, I'm just going to retrieve this. Okay, right. So now what I'm going to actually just I'm copying it. I just need this thing. That's is enough. Yeah. Just give me a second. Yeah. So for this also we have to write the functionality. Okay, so how we can able, so I can do this. Okay, then we have to work this on functionality. I'll come to that part also. So now goes here. Okay, remove the entire thing. I'm adding my extra fragment here and I'm pasting. So now what I have to do here is change this class to class name, because React only access only class name. Okay, and going to change it. So now here we are having an input, so we have to use like, okay, all the input field, then wherever the input is here, right now I'm using what is, okay, I think this, okay, okay, I think we have one more here, so that is style. Okay, so we have to map the style into double yeah, from parentheses. Just give me a second, let me check where it is, a style here. I think style is in only one page. Yeah, so I have to cut this, paste it here. Okay, as of now. Okay, so now we are having a product. So okay, I just go with this. I just going to map the entire thing. Okay, so just give me a second. So the first here is image, right? So we are having image as an array value. So what I'm going to do here is product dot image. Okay, let me do one thing. Product dot image images dot map, use my return. Wait, let me access this here. Okay, I'm just going to retry my first value. Okay, just give me a second, we'll look into that. Okay, can you able to see I'm having my first thing? Okay, so now, yeah, what I needed is image. Okay, there is one image, that is enough. So yeah, what I'm going to do is, so there is here. So okay, so I'm going to map this. Okay, product dot images of, sorry, image dot map. Okay, here's this, cut this entire thing and paste it inside this. Okay, so whatever it is, that will come here. If I map those things, so automatically it will come here. Yeah, a second. Okay. So product dot title. Okay. Uh, so yeah, I'm having my title here. Some brand. Okay. Instead of SKU, I'm going to write as a brand here. Okay. So that will be fine for me. Oh, okay. Okay. So here the brand it is. And then, okay, we are also having SKU. We can have to write those things also. Same thing. Okay. Paste here. Copy. Paste it. Okay. Okay. Brand dot SKU. Right. Yeah, we are having SKU. So need price, right? So what we have to FA rupee. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to use this. Okay. So yeah, so product dot price here. So I need discount, right? So what I'm going to do is go to my main content. I think it's not main. Go to my card content here. Okay. Just copy this entire thing. Okay. Only this part. Go to my product detail. Just paste it here. And now just add, copy, just paste it inside my. Okay. So we have to add a dollar symbol, like rupee FA rupee sign. Okay. Okay. So now it is fine. So here we are having ratio reviews. So yeah, we'll go with that also. What is that? Product dot rating, right? Yeah. So product dot rating. So how many reviews we are going to give you? So that will be product dot reviews. Let me check in my card. So what I have given you. So that is use dot length. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to give this as it is. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Okay. Now if I want description also, I can go with the description. Order dot description. And okay. I think we are not having any color here. Okay. As of now. So that will be, we'll look into entire other thing. Okay. While it is coming. Okay. So now I'm going to remove this color. Okay. As of now. And yeah, I will keep the quantity. Okay. Yeah, quantity. So before that, I have to mention this whether it is in a stock or not. So I have to check whether it is in stock or not. So for that also, I'm just writing here. I think yeah, at the top of the quantity. So stock. Okay, so that will be like okay. So now product dot go with my. I'll just refresh it. Let me check. Cannot read price. Just give me a second. Mm-hmm. Set product dot price. Mm-hmm. Unexpected in line number 80. Line number 80. Yeah, I think this is the thing. Product dot. Okay. Availability status. I think availability status. Okay, right, in stock. So if it is in stock, so we'll give the color. Okay, so STY style will be like color as of now. So we'll write the functionality for that also. Green. Hi. Mhm. Yeah, so here it is stock. So yeah, in green. So I'll keep the quantity also. I'll tell you that. So right now, I think we are not having any key feature, right? Yeah. So we'll do one thing. Okay. Okay. So right now, I am going to just comment is okay. When we need it, we'll do that. Okay, so now we need an add to cart, and which if I click this, so it will store here in my cart page. Okay, for this also we need what we need, guys. So top bar and a footer, sorry, neighbor and footer should also be applicable here. So for what I'm going to do is here I'm going to calling my product data, right? So now what I'm going to do here is, okay, in my pages I'm going to create, okay, product detail page. Okay, so yeah, so now RAFC, right? So okay, and now this is what I am going to redirect. So here remove this product detail page. So now in my product I need neighbor and what is it, neighbor, not neighbor, so that should be the header. Okay, and here I need product detail. Okay, I need just a second, I need footer. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, so yeah, I have to pass the ID parameter, so constant. So ID will be like use params. Okay, yeah, now I'm going to call this ID here because we are passing ID. I'm just changing the route, right? So I have to give this. So go to my product detail page. So instead of giving here, okay, I'm going to value pass this value as a props. Okay, let's check that. See, can you able to see? I have just called my footer as well as my header here. Now do you guys understand? If you're clear with this, just raise your hand, guys. Hello. Okay, great. Right. So now what we are going to do is, I think I am having a image here. Okay, I think my image is in here, the image is coming down. Okay, so let me write some sort of functionality so that it will be really helpful for us to trigger that moment. Okay, give me a minute. Go with here and then I can call it. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Uh, uh, uh. I think I have to go here, paste it here, go this, paste it outside. Okay. I think now it will be fine. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we can see this, right? And also we have rounded. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write one of my function for image storing here. So constant image. Okay, let me write as this as a main image. Okay, comma set main image. Okay. So what I'm going to product dot images. Okay, set main image here. So where I have to call, yeah, instead of here, I'm going to call this as my main image. Okay, and I need, if I click this, that should be changed, right? So for that purpose, I'm going to use on click. Okay, so will be set main image will be like image. I mean, sorry, a value, all right. Yeah. So, just give me a second. Inspect it. What is the issue here? Images, images, images. Product dot images. Okay. Okay, right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give as a pointer. also. Okay, guys. Yeah, so we have fetched the values here. Okay, so what we are doing, we are not writing any bigger functionality as of now. So first we'll be concentrate on UI, then we'll work on a bigger functionality in upcoming days. Is that okay, everyone, so far? I'm done for my today's class. Okay, before moving on to it, let me push my code into my GitHub. Okay, the same thing here. Okay, I'm going to, okay, git add, okay, and then go with git commit code updated -m code updated, and then go with git push. Okay, so yeah, I have pushed this. Now I want to build. Okay, so yeah, same hands off now way. With the hand, I'm going to complete that thing also. Go to my netlify. For what I have to do is we have to, yeah, I think yesterday ZD, right? And deploy setting, link repository is my GitHub. Second. So that will be like e-commerce here. Main branch. Now in my base directory, so build command will be npm run build. Okay. Publish directly will be dist. Right. I think this should work. Hmm? Right, checking on building. Take the script. अच्छा ठीक है, right, okay. I'll do one thing. Okay, and let me deploy manually as of now. Publish the in 3 seconds. Oh, yesterday, right? Go to my this. Okay. Okay. Let me do this manually. Let me check that what is this one. Build. Okay. Use npm run build. So one it is build. Go to my projects here. So what project I want to deploy? Yeah, my build is ready. Use this. That's it. Upload this file. Okay. I have deployed it in my here, right? So all the thing will be called here. So if I want to go with this also, it will take some time. Just wait a second. I need to check what is the issues here. Cannot read property of undefined images. Okay, let me check. So why I can't able to retrieve my images? Inspect the element console. Go with it. Yeah, I think page number 33 and product detail. Yeah, I think this is right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so now again I have to build this. Okay, it's not an issue. Can build it, and yeah, again I have to deploy it into my project browser. Okay, go to my project sites, project here, and I deploy this manually. Yeah, go ahead. Just hold on a second, guys. Just stay in line. Yeah, guys. Okay. I'll just complete this thing and we'll wind up the class. I think, yeah.
I have some doubts.
Shall we discuss later, Monica? I think I just got a call. It's an emergency. Okay. I'll speak to that later. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Sabri,
Sir,
you just say,
assessment.
yeah. Yeah, you just send a screenshot, Sabri. I will note it down the marks. Okay. You just send me the screenshot.
Okay, sir.
Screenshot and the codes. Okay. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Sabri. Yeah. We'll check this one once again. Okay. Just give me a second. Yeah. Okay. So now let me go with this thing. Yeah, now it's working fine. See here, if I click this, I can able to change this. Okay, so this is how we are being create right now functionality, a key space. So here we have to add a breadcrumb. So we'll come to the part and later tomorrow. So yeah, I'll just close this shortly, and tomorrow we are going to work on 2 page. One is checkout, one add to cart and checkout page. Okay, then if it is completed, then we'll move on to the entire functionality with the help of a Redux. Okay.